If Riot Games or Riot Client don't work on you, today guys I wanna show you how to repair Riot Client and Riot Games. If you find this guide useful, like and subscribe to the channel and enjoy this video. Okay guys, all you need to do, just open your Riot Client today like me, go in right corner on your profile picture and go here settings. You will see here general, scroll here down and make sure hardware acceleration is off. After that, if you have League of Legends or Valorant, the process is same, because both games have Riot Client. Click on new game, I have now League of Legends. To repair Riot Client, just scroll here down and you will see repair files. Go here repair, start repair and wait for this. After you finish repair, you will see success. Go here OK and enjoy playing games on Riot Games. And that's it all guys for this video, how to repair Riot Client on your PC fast and easy. If you find this guide useful, like and subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video.